Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng DGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Magpapail sa maaksyong ball game ngayon ang laban sa Junior Division ng UCAAP2018 ay ang dalawang eskwelahan dito sa Distrito 3 ng Pampanga, ang Sindalan High School ng siyudad po ng San Fernando at ang Merida Queen College ng Bacolod. Kapwa nakatikim na po ng panalo ang magkabilang koponan. As of August 19, ang Sindalan High School wala pang talo at totoo pong nakaabante ito sa 3 sunod na panalo. Minamanok na team player ng MQC ay ang 16 anyos na si Ernie Pineda. Hindi po matatawaran ng gigil niya sa paglalaro sa hardcourt. Bukod kasi sa malapalos na liksi, bilang isang point guard, asentado rin ang kanyang galaw na kayang banggain ang malapader na depensa nito pong nakalaban po nila.
May kit po kasi po, yung iba pong bola namin nakukuha nila. Saka nakaka-score din po sila, nakakasabay sila sa laro na.
Pambidang galaw na bumubulaga sa katunggaling kalaban ng MQC ay si John Benedict Carrion. Tiyak na maliligaw ang bantay sa kanya kapag ang kanyang malasayaw na galaw sa hardcourt isinabay sa pag-ikot ng laro ng pag-dribble ng bola.
Never give up po sa pangarap po. Dapat po hard work lang po palagi.
Ang pambato ng MQC muling masusubok sa laro ng Sindalan High School.
First possession goes to MQC. Basket on number 18. It's a trouble and violation turnover. Sindalan High School basketball. Number 3, fighting. Foul coming to number 6, holding foul. This is first on you. First, team foul, Sindalan High School. Last touch on Sindalan High School and MQC basketball.
Number 6 may tangan ng bola. To number 20 Figueroa. May foul yan. Committed on number 5. First on you, number 5. First team foul, MQC. Dalawang libreng tira para kay number 20, Figueroa. Wala yung una. Split para kay Figueroa. Score natin 5-0 Sindalan. Seconds to shoot. Number 7 nagtuloy-tuloy for 2 points. 5-2 score. Pasa kay number 12, natapik palabas si number 6. Bola pa rin yan ng Sindalan.
18 seconds to shoot. Sindalan, nice go. 10 seconds on the shot clock. This is the 14. Good for 2 on number 3. Last touch on Sindalan. Okay. Timeout has been requested by inbounding ball is on number 8. Another shot block. 10 on the shot block. And up is at 14. 10 seconds. Shot block at 5. As many as foul, committed number 18. Second team foul belongs Sindalan High School. Shot clock remaining at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Nine seconds. Shot clock at 5. Last touch on Sindalan High School, same basketball. Shot clock remaining at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Number 18 for the good for 2 on number 8. Substitution. Paule out. Number 3 out. Paule for the MQC. Shot clock remaining 17 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Shot clock at 10. And now this ball foul coming to number 18, offensive foul. Dalawa ka na. Third team foul for your Sindalan High School. Oh, three, number 21. Change favor, 9-7 to point lead by MQC. Manansala, number 5 out. Number 18, Sabada out for Sindalan High School. That's same ball. Shot clock running at 17 seconds to shoot for your Sindalan High School. Shot clock at 10. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 6, hacking foul. It's a trouble. 21 out for the MQC. Karan out. Number 6 out for Sindalan High School. Foul has been whistled. Foul coming to number. Penalty, 2 shots on number 2. First basket, it's good. Second shot on number. First free throw on number 2, pasok. Pangalawang free throw ni number 2. Wala. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 20. Penalty. Two bonus throws on number 7. Unang pitro. Pasok. Second and last throw on number 7. Pitro wala. Seconds on the shot clock. Last touch on Sindalan. MQC basketball. Or the leader number 10. 9. It's a 12 violation turnover. MQC basketball. Timeout, Mary College. Back to the ball game. The tournament violation turnover, MQC basketball. Balthazar out for the MQC. Marquez. Last touch Zabo. Shot clock remaining at 16 seconds to shoot for your Sindalan High School. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Offensive foul. Offensive foul could be the number 2. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Basket on number 16. That's the same. Reyes out. Pineda out for the MQC. Reyes and Pineda out. Shot clock remaining at 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Basket on number 2. Two minutes. Basket on number 5. Two free throws on number 10. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 21, black and foul. Ten seconds at the shot clock. Shot clock at 5. The ball has been whistled. Going in. Two free throws on number 5. L1 on number 9. Ten seconds inshallah. Foul committed on number 2. Penalty, 2 free throws on number 9. So it's good. Second throw on number 9. Seconds digit. 5 seconds. Basket. On number 5. Sakto yan. May tayo na. Shot is up po tayo. Good for 2 on number 10. That's been our first quarter. This is score po natin 20 to 20 sa MQC 9 for the Sindalan. Let's go!
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.